Last time we built out this portion of our app with the buttons right here, edit profile, share profile, and then this add friend button. Now we're gonna add like our bio here as well as our YouTube link. So if we go here and we drag down our preview, and now this the first thing we're seeing right now is just our H stack with the edit profile button, the share profile button. So let's get rid of this and let's just minimize this. So we'll say command option left click just to hide it for now so we can focus on the other part. So again, we want to add our description, right? So we know to add a description in Swift, pretty much all you're going to add is some text. So let's start by typing in text. And then right here on my profile, it says this. It says, let's make apps using SwiftUI, right? And then right below that, I have something that says a new line. We have something that says anyone can code. Now this \n here just makes it that whatever new text that you're having is gonna go to a next line, just like how we have here. So that'll look decent-ish for now. So the first thing you're gonna notice is that, well, yo, this isn't centered. So the anyone code is over here to the left. To fix this, we just have to go up to our text, and then we're gonna add a new modifier to this. So we'll go down and we say dot multi-line text alignment, and then we'll do dot center. And then if we look at our text, you'll see that now it's centered. The only other thing that I'm noticing is that, yo, the font look a little bit different here. So to fix this, we go up to our text again, and then we say dot font, and then I'm going to do the dot call out font. And you're going to see like the text kind of shrink a bit, but it looks much more similar to what we had before now. Now, the next thing that we're going to add is pretty much the link button right here that links to our YouTube, so viewers can see longer form of content for making apps in Swift. So let's start typing in link, and we'll go down to the one that says a destination label. And let's just go drag down our preview a bit. And then the first thing you're gonna notice is asking for a URL. For now, let's just hit enter. And then we're gonna do the one that takes a string parameter. And then for now, just temporarily, we'll just do google.com. And then right outside of it, we'll do an exclamation sign. Now, I'll explain more about how this works in a future video. But for now, let's just leave it as this for now. And then go over to label. And then hit enter. And then inside label, now you're going to type in the label view, because that's what we want to add here. And go down to the one that does a title key and a system image. And now for the title key, all we have to do for this one is just say youtube.com/nerdy yardy, right? So that's like what the text is gonna say. And then for the image right beside of it, we're gonna do is link. Now you'll notice that the symbol here for link is much different from pretty much a symbol on TikTok one. And that's because, well, pretty much Apple gives us a set of images for system image, and we didn't have an image that looks similar to this right now. So for now, we're just using this link image. Now, the next thing that you're gonna notice is that basically, yo, this text is, yeah, it's like clickable and so, but it's blue. We don't want it blue. So to get rid of that, at the edge of link right here, you're gonna add another modifier, and we're gonna say dot button style, and then we're going to say dot plain. And now you see that now the text is pretty much now that blackish color, which is what we were expecting. So this will look really good so far, you know, okay? So the next thing that we're going to notice is that, like, yo, I feel like the font should be a bit more bold. So how we can do to fix this is, let's add some space here, and then right at the edge of our label, we're going to add a modifier to it. So the modifier we're going to add is a dot font weight, and we're going to add one called medium, just to give it a little bit more boldness. So now this is how our app is looking. Let's look at everything so far. So this is how everything is looking. We now have our description and our YouTube link to our YouTube profile. So right now, if we should click it though, it would just go to google.com, since this is the URL that we're using. So instead of using just google.com, we're going to use our actual YouTube profile so people can find more videos about Swift. So I have this copied, so I'm just going to replace google.com here, and I'm just going to paste in my YouTube profile. And what we're gonna do to test this, because if you just go to the preview right here and you just click it, nothing's really happening. So to really test this, you have to actually run the app this time. So let's go up to our run button here and click this. And then when this builds and we're on this, if we click on the YouTube link here, you'll see that it pretty much loads our YouTube profile that shows all our SwiftUI views in like a browser view. And we can still just hit that there and go back to our YouTube, our mini TikTok app. So this is looking good. The next thing we're gonna do is basically add another button here, and I believe that's for TikTok Studio. So stick around for the next video and we'll get to that. But again, remember the motto, yo. Anyone can learn anything with time, practice, and failures. All right, I'm out.